Welcome to Route Valor Pace. We are having one of our infamous pace parties today. We are having a trip down Route Valor Pace. We're having a flu vaccine clinic so our participants can get their flu vaccines. We've got the Pace Auto Body Shop where we do our repairs, the Pace Car Wash where we're cleaning everything up, and we also have a Valor Drive-In movie theater where we have our movie playing in the small ADC for some fun activities.
I've got flags on my walker. They've cleaned it, and it's just so much fun here when they do a party.